Now revision for array theory part for the board examination students. Here you see the syllabus for the 2021, that is definition of an array, types of array, declaration, initialization, accepting the data of a single dimensional array, accessing the elements of single dimensional array and their uses, sorting technique, bubble sort, search technique, linear search, array as a composite type, length statement to find the length of the array, sorting and searching techniques using the single dimensional array only. So no 2D array is there. Definition of array is a group of data elements of similar type, means similar data types referred by one common name. All right, it's a non-primitive or reference type also. Its syntax: data type, array name, square bracket equal to new data type, square bracket. In the square bracket, size will be there, semicolon. Size means length of the array, and length of the array can be calculated using the length keyword without any parenthesis. All right, so all these things I've already discussed in my previous videos, so please refer to those videos. I'll put the links of those videos in the comment section. Now students, I'm getting back to the theory part here. Students, what kind of questions can be asked in the array? So here you can see what is meant by direct initialization of the array. So students, here you can see we specify the data type, array name, square bracket equal to curly braces. Here all the values are specified. So it's a declaration, creation and initialization of the array in the one line. Subscript of the array is it's the cell number of the array used within the square bracket along with the array variable. To access the particular element of the array. So here ARR is the name of the array, and 6 is basically the index or subscript. Always remember that when I say ARR of 6, that means I'm talking about the 7th element of the array. So name a technique that can be used to concatenate or join the elements of the two different arrays, that is merging. After that, length and length function. So length is a keyword here which is used to get the length of the array, and length is a function which returns the length of the string. Okay, that's the difference. It's a function, it's a keyword. Okay, it works with the string and it works with the any type of array. Array can be of int type, string type, whatever the type is. So it will give the length of the array, means how many elements are there in the array. Write one difference between linear search and binary search, not in your syllabus. State the total size in bytes of the array of A4 of char data type and P4 of float data type. So students, A4 of char data type, character occupies how many bytes? 2 bytes in Java. So this array of 4 elements will occupy 8 bytes in the memory. All right. One byte is equal to 8 bits. So 8 is the size of in terms of byte. So 8 into 8, 64 bits will be occupied. P4 of float data type. Float occupies one float element occupies 4 bytes. So 4 into 4, that means 16 bytes will be occupied by the float array, which is P4. Okay, so here you can see the answer. What's an array? Array definition I've already discussed, how to declare and everything you're already aware of. Name the search or sort algorithm that makes several passes through the array, selecting the next smallest item each time and placing it whether it belongs in the array. That is the selection sort, but right now it's not in your syllabus, so leave that. Here it is binary search, so that is also not in your course. After that, here the question is int square bracket 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5 7 9 13 16. What are the values of x and y? All right, so x has here what? POW, mat.pow, n4 comma n2. So first we get n4, 0 1 2 3 4, that means fifth element 7. After that n2, 0 1 2 3. So 7 cube you have to calculate and print with 0.0 because decimal will always be there. Okay, after that we have math.sqrt n5. N5 means sixth element they are talking about. So 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5, that is 9. Fifth element is sixth element is 9, and after that plus n7. N7 is eighth element. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. And 7 is 16. So 16 plus plus what? 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, sixth element is 9. 16 and 9 will be there. So 16 and 9 is 25, and sqrt function is there. So it will calculate what? Square root. So that is 5. Square root of 25 is 5. After that, find the errors in the given segment and rewrite the statement correctly to assign values to an integer array. So here you can see int a equal to new int 5. So after the data type, we specify square bracket, so square bracket must be there. Here after the array name, square bracket is required. You can put the square bracket after int also, but either with int or with a. After that, students, there is another a statement, that is loop for int I equal to 0, I less than equal to 5. So here the 5 is the size of the array. So loop will not be up to 5, it will be less than 5, because 0 to 4 index are going to be there, I plus plus, and then a of I equals to I. So this can be put in parenthetic curly braces also, otherwise it's fine, single statement, no problem. So what they are saying in the first line, the variable a square bracket and 5 must be inside the square bracket as new int 5. That's what I was talking about. Loop also I have clarified. All right, everyone. Now after that, here differentiate between the following: subscript and subscripted variable. Right, subscript is basically the index, and subscripted variable is the array when it is written with the subscript. And subscripted variable basically can be the loop variable also, which we use over there. After that, char a5 and int a5, then char a5 and int a5. It is first thing that c will be small, so char a5, so there is a character array of size 5. This is the integer array of size 5. Ordinary variable, array variable. Ordinary variable can store just one value, and array variable can have multiple values, can refer to many values. String a5 and string a square bracket, so that is basically the size of array is given 5. Here the size is not there, right? And then both are the arrays of string type. Then sorting and searching. Sorting is all about arranging the data, and searching is all about finding a data element. Linear search and binary search. So linear is comparing the data to be searched with all the elements of the array one after the other until unless it is found. Binary search is not in your course, leave that. Bubble sort is very much there. Here we sequential sort, bubble sort. Bubble sort is basically comparing one data with the other, means next to means one element will be compared with the next element. Then the process goes on and on. That is a basic idea of the bubble sort. And we compare and swap. If we have to sort in the ascending order, then if the first element is bigger than the second, then we swap. If we sort in the descending order, then first element is smaller than the second. After that, length and length with the parenthesis. Length is a keyword to get the length of the array, and this length is basically there to get the length of the string object. All right. Now in the second line, the relational operator must be that is the okay. After that, that is the answer of the previous question. Now what will this code print? Int arr square bracket equal to new int 5. So system dot println arr. So that is going to print what? The garbage value, because arr is basically the name of the array. It's not written with any index. After that, there is int x square bracket equal to 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are the value of p and q? So here p equal to x dot length. So the length of the array 1, 2, what is the value of p? X dot length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will be the length of the array. And then after that, q equals to x2. X2 is so we check here 0, 1, 2, that is 7. and that means third element, that is 7 plus x5 into x1. 7 in 7 plus x5 into x1. X5 means sixth element they are talking about. 0 1 2 3 4 5 10 into x1. X1 means 3. 10 into 3 is 30, and x2 was already 7, so 30 plus 7 is 37. That is the answer. So these are the ways you can prepare for the array. All right, I hope you have understood the concepts well. Thanks everyone.